Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. Okay, so we're gonna be solving this interesting equation right here. What we have is x power 4 is equal to 81. But just before we proceed, like we've always done, if you are a new member, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that whenever we release new content, you actually get to know about it. And of course, even as we proceed, if you have any questions, do drop in the comment box, and I will surely look at that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Hit the like button even as we proceed with this video. Okay, so this is just pretty much cool. I'm just going to bring this 81 to the left hand side so that I have that this is x power 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. Okay, so I can actually write this x power 4 as x power 2 and then all raised to power 2. This is cool. And then of course I can write 89 as 9 power 2. It's equal to 0. So, and of course you can see I've got some nice expression. So this is a difference of 2 squares. And don't forget, if you have a squared minus b squared, you can always expand this to be a plus b, and then of course multiply by a minus b. Okay, so of course in this case my a is x power 2 and then b is equal to 9. So if I expand that here, you're going to be seeing that this equation will change to x squared, okay, plus 9 bracket, and of course multiply by x squared minus 9. Okay, is equal to 0. And then moving forward, you can also see we can also simplify the second bracket. Okay, so if I put this as it is, x squared plus 9, and then this is x squared, I can actually write this 9 here as 3 power 2 is equal to 0. So I've got another difference of 2 squares right here, which if I simplify, I am also going to be having something like this. Okay, so this is x squared plus 9 and then into x minus 3, and then of course x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so at this point I am actually going to be utilizing the 0 product rule, which basically says that if you have maybe terms that multiplies themselves and is equal to 0, is either any of them is equal to 0 or all of the terms are all equal to 0. So at this point we can set x squared plus 9 to be equal to 0, or the second one, this is the first case, second case, that is it is either x minus 3 is equal to 0, or the third case is also either x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to be solving each of these cases and then find out the values of x that satisfy the equation we are solving. And so for this one, this implies that x squared is equal to negative 9. Okay, so and of course this one also implies that x is equal to 3. Okay, and then the third one, this implies that x, if I bring this 3 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 3. So you can see that I've got two values of x right here, x equal to 3 and then x equal to minus 3. So I am actually going to solve this further to find out the remaining two values of x that is going to satisfy the equation we are solving. Okay, so continue from here. We have x squared minus 9 to be equal to, so what we have is x squared is equal to minus 9. So let me cancel this, and then of course we are actually going to be taking the square root of both sides so that we can be able to remove this. So I have x squared and then square root is equal to negative 9. Okay, square root of negative 9, this can actually cancel this, and then x now becomes, don't forget this is plus or minus. Okay, x now becomes equal to plus or minus root. I'm going to split this as my negative 1 and then multiply by root 9. Okay, so x is now equal to plus or minus root negative 1 is equal to I, and then multiply by root 9 is equal to 3. So that eventually what we are having as the value of x is plus or minus 3i. Okay, so that the four values of x that actually satisfy the equation we are solving. The first one, x is equal to positive 3, and then the second x that will satisfy the equation x is equal to negative 3, and then the third one, x is equal to positive 3i, and then of course the fourth one, x is equal to negative 3i. So these are the values of x that satisfy the equation we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.